Peach and Plum Frangipane. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy in a medium bowl using an electric mixer. Next, add the eggs one at a time, blending after each addition, and the vanilla extract. After the eggs are completely blended, slowly add the almond flour and the all-purpose flour. Spread the batter into your prepared baking pan. You want to line the pan with a round of parchment paper and coat the bottom and sides with butter. Once you have spread the batter into the pan, add the fruit. Depending on the size of the fruit, I may cut it into halves or quarters. Just arrange the fruit skin side down, pressing it slightly into the batter. You don't want to submerge it completely, but you don't want it to just sit on top either. And then once you have added all of your fruit, bake the cake in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes or until golden brown and set. If it browns too quickly, reduce the temperature to 325. Remove the cake from the oven and immediately sprinkle it with about a teaspoon of granulated sugar, maybe 2 teaspoons. Let the cake cool completely and serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.